Hey guys, so this is the truck I was talking about a little earlier. With the, they gave me a phone call that had a leaking brake line. Spinning all around. Blew out the line, so I'm just going about replacing it right now. Very quick, very simple. Came with all new hardware for the brackets. One banjo bolt was a 12mm there. Had to take off the bracket here with a 10mm socket. Snug that up. The brake line itself, 13mm socket, or wrench, sorry, and I had to pull off this quick pin. So just getting ready to put her back together. So all I gotta do is feed the rubber brake line up into the hole. Now this stuff is kind of in the way, but I don't feel like knocking it off and moving it, so just gonna push the metal clip back in. Gotta grab a rubber mallet or a hammer. This is my rubber mallet. So, get you your metal clip. So I can get you guys to see here somewhere. That just goes in there and knock it into place. I don't even know if I can freaking reach that with the rubber mallet. I'll figure something out. But yeah, just gotta push that pin back in somehow. I might even come actually at it from the back side. In fact, that might be my easiest option. Yeah, I'm just gonna come at it from the back side here. Knock that in with the hammer. Might need to get my metal hammer, but you get the idea. We'll come back in a minute. Alright, got her all back together. Got the. Let's get that focus. Is my lens dirty? Nope. Well, a little. Here. White. There we go. So got the pin back in. Is that leaking? I don't think so. Nope. So that's all in. Banjo bolts on. I've got the bleeder cracked loose. Just gonna gravity bleed it for now. So top up the brake fluid. Now this truck takes .4. And it used pretty much its almost whole reservoir to get out here. There we go. So that's on. Alright, so you can see now you got brake fluid coming out of there. I'm gonna tighten up this line here. Check everywhere else for just a quick leak or two. I don't see any. So, we're by ourselves and we need to bleed the brakes. What are we gonna do? Well, get yourself a bar. I'm just using a breaker bar. I'm gonna get in. Gonna pump our brakes a few times. Brakes firm. And then two. Shorten my breaker bar. There. So get it wedged up by the seat here. Crack open the bleeder. And you can also do your one-man bleeder with some, rubber line into a bottle. I'll show how to do that one of these days. But this seems to work. There. Pump her up again. I'll just keep doing that until no more air is coming out of the line. This is about the 4th or 5th time pumping. Crack this open. You guys see, I can get you guys to see. Pull this up. No more air's been coming out, so that is good. Pack up our tools basically, put the tire back on, and ship her down the road. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below. Want to see some more DIY backyard mechanics like this on other people's vehicles? I am starting to do it for a living now, or at least attempting to. So if you want to see more of those, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Just figured in case any of you were curious what it was I was working on. 2014 Ford F-150 4x4 with the EcoBoost turbocharge. So, nice truck. I can see myself driving one of these. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.